My partner and I are currently traveling and been making social media channels to document our travels for family and friends. I highly doubt any of our channels will gain traction, but can there be any legal repercussions for using a brand name in our handles in the event that we somehow gain visibility, it goes viral, right? Our channel name is popular outdoor shoe brand and a word that rhymes with it. But I don't know, someone may be thinking they're going to go viral with their travel, right? Yeah, they're dropping brand names. Repercussions, Matt?
Yeah, potentially. Like as a trademark owner, you have like the right to publicity of your own brand, right? And so if someone's playing off your brand or making a false association between their entertainment channel and your shoe company,
Yep.
then there could be, questions about whether or not the channel's sponsored by the shoe company, in which case you might have some issues with that third party. Also can't likely register it depending on how well known the company is. So like I'm thinking if it's Nike, for example, and we tried to go register something kind of related to Nike at the USPTO for like travel entertainment, they're just going to say no. I'm going to be like, no, that's a famous brand, right? You can't do that. So
Okay, but I think they're asking, okay, they're doing, they're talking about some awesome hike they just did, and I don't know, for whatever reason, whatever their commentary is so cool and fascinating, they get, 1 billion downloads and happen to have a very visible shoe with a logo on it in the video clip.
Oh, that's fine.
All good. So Nike, even though it's very visible on that clip, it gets 1 billion downloads, whatever views and lots of attention, and they could get, affiliate marketing deals and monetize that viewership somehow. Is Nike going to be able to come back and say, actually, you probably got some of those views because of the recognition of our trademark? I mean,
right. They have to really look at that fact pattern, right? Figure out what's fair use of the brand, what's promoting the brand. If there's a financial play there between like the sales of the company and their revenue, that'd be tricky. But if you're just, if you're reviewing a shoe, discussing a shoe, it's part of the, the video, that's fine. If it's in the title of the video, maybe not. If it's in the title of your brand, your travel brand, if you're like Nike Adventures, right? Can't do that.
Timberland in the Hinterland.
Yeah, like really cute, really catchy. Timberland might be on board with that. They might be like, yeah, go for it. But until you get their permission to use their brand in your videos.
Very cool.